If you're wondering how you can enable the Game Turbo settings on your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open the security app. Now just swipe up, and under the Tools section you will find the option of Game Turbo. Just tap on it, and after you do that you will enable Game Turbo on your Redmi 15C. Now if you tap on the plus icon over here, you can add games on your smartphone to the Game Turbo. Just enable the toggle of the game from here and you will add the game in your Game Turbo. And if you tap on the settings icon over here, you will open the settings of the Game Turbo. First of all, just make sure that Game Turbo is enabled from here, and also enable the toggle for in-game shortcuts. Also, if you want to create a home screen shortcut of the Game Turbo, you can do it from here. Just enable this toggle and you will create a home screen shortcut of the Game Turbo app on your Redmi 15C. Then if you tap on Performance, from here you can enable Performance Optimizer, and by enabling this toggle you will optimize the gaming performance of your Redmi 15C. And also from here you can boost the Wi-Fi speed. And once you do that, you will enable the Game Turbo on your Redmi 15C. Just select a game from here, then tap on Start Playing. And as you can see, a small bar has appeared on the side of the screen. Now if you swipe from here, you will open the in-game panel. And from here you can find all the shortcuts of the Game Turbo within the game. If you tap on Boost, you will boost the performance of the game. As you can see, it is showing us the FPS on the screen. And if we go to the home screen, as you can see, we have successfully created a Game Turbo shortcuts on the home screen. And this is how you can enable the Game Turbo settings on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.